So YouTube, this your boy Hellraiser underscore 6.4. If you new, make sure you hit that sub. Appreciate y'all. Let me show y'all this Billet oil catch can that just came in. This unboxing video. Y'all stay tuned. Don't forget the sub, man. Alright, what's up, y'all? This is my Billet oil catch can. Finally came in, bro. It took like almost a month to come in, bro. It took forever to come in. Can't show y'all that. I got my address on there, but yeah. Parts of my catch can. It's the catch can itself right here, y'all. My braided hose. I paid $178 for this. My catch can, y'all. What is this? What is this? Alright. Nothing. So let's open this baby up, y'all. Make sure y'all leave the sub. I don't think I need no scissors to open this up. Just some bubble wrap. I got some powder coat. But we're gonna get the install video on this baby. The catch can install, y'all. Had to get a powder coat, y'all, to get it somewhere match my car. And it somewhere does match my car. This is it, y'all. This is the catch can right here. Cat pack. This is it. What y'all think? Open that baby up and let's take a look at it. So right here, got my braided hose. Got these. So let's open it up and see. I don't think I need no scissors though. Alright, YouTube, but this it. It's kind of close to my car. It's kind of somewhat close to Hellraiser. I wanted to get it black, but I want to kind of somewhat match. But this is the powder coat, Plum powder by Billet. This is I ordered the braided hose. These are my other parts. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a do-it-yourself video eventually. When I get a chance. But this is the catch can, man. So cost me $178. They had a sale going on. I bought it, but this quality is nice. You know what I'm saying? Because the catch can, when it's in the car, it's going to be sitting up in the car like this. It's going to be like this in the car. But yeah, this is pretty clean, you know what I'm saying? This is nice. I don't want to really scratch it, so I'm sitting on top of this. But yeah, man, it's worth it. Definitely start catching some gunk, you know what I'm saying? And these here is just instructions. I'm finna show y'all the instructions. I don't want to bore y'all, but man, you got a scat pack, man, get a catch can, bro. You don't need it though, but it'll definitely catch some of that shit, you know what I'm saying? See? This is the instructions right here for the catch can, a 392 Hemi. Other than that, never return oil from catch can back to the engine. That's common sense. Why would you do that? But yeah. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it. I hope y'all, well, I'm about to go outside and show y'all some y'all. I'm back, YouTube. Oh, my bad. Let me open the door right quick. Oh, man. Let me pop the hood. I need to vacuum my seats, man. Show y'all where this catch can gonna go. So right here, it's gonna go like right here. You kind of see where is that piece at down here? Where's that piece? Let me see it down. So this is gonna be coming out, but they got like a little screw down here that you can unplug. I think it's right. Forgot where is that down here. But it's gonna be trying to find it. Shit. Okay, cause the catch can gonna be like right here. It's gonna be like right here, down here, and somewhere, kind of like that. But yeah, I gotta see the part that you gotta remove. It's not this right here. I think it's this right here. This part right here gotta come out, I think. Gotta go double check. I don't want to fuck nothing up, but yeah. But that's it, y'all. Got my cash can. Somewhat match my car a tad bit. That's a little bit, but yeah. But the cash can gonna be right here. And that's about it. So, make sure y'all leave a sub. Bye, y'all. I wanted to tell y'all, so when y'all finally, install your cash can, from the bottom, all you do is unscrew it and you pour the gunk out. So you can change your cash can. Well, it's really personal preference whenever you want to feature it. You can do in between every oil change. Whatever you decide to do, you know what I'm saying? So, hold on. All I did was just unscrew it. That's where your gunk, all your stuff that get, that's not supposed to be in the oil. All your crude and all the other stuff is going there. Because, through here, at the top, where the hose and stuff go, it'll filter everything in here. Man, it's sophisticated up in here. Wow. I can't even tell y'all what's going on right now, but yeah. All that is going on, but that's all I gotta show y'all, man. I'm gonna do an inside video. I know they got a million on the internet, but I just wanted to share out the unboxing. All right, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, leave a sub. I know it's not really a mod, but it's kind of prolonging the engine of the 392. All right, y'all, I'm out. See, catch y'all later.